Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cash from Moonpay. Basically, how you can convert your crypto into the real money and you can withdraw that in your bank account. So first of all, you need to log in into your Moonpay account with the help of your registered email address and password if you haven't already. Now, in order to withdraw your money or in order to sell your cryptos here in your Moonpay account, you need to first of all verify your account. So you need to make sure that your account has completed the identity verification because withdrawals require the KYC to be completed. So once you have it done, simply click on the option of sell tab that you see here on the home page. You can also just scroll down a bit in order to see how many cryptocurrencies you have in your account and which cryptocurrency you want to basically sell and get the money in the form of cash in your bank account. So once you are here, by default BTC will be selected here. So you can also either select BTC or click on the option of this drop down menu in order to select any other cryptocurrencies. After selecting it, you need to just simply enter the amount of cryptocurrency which you want to sell. Then it is going to show you the equivalent amount of money you are going to get in your own currency. So you can also click on this drop down menu and change your own currency. Then you can click on the option of continue here in the bottom. On the next page, you will be asked to provide some of your personal details. So you need to do that first. Then select your payment method, which will be your bank account most probably. But if you see any other options like Google Pay or PayPal, you can also select that. Then you need to conclude this particular transaction. Once your transaction is done, Moonpay is going to send your cryptocurrency in the form of the equivalent amount of currency that you have selected. So once you get the money in your bank account, you can just simply cash it out and depending on your bank, it can arrive within just minutes or take a few business days too. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.